Hi, beautiful people. Hello, armies. I miss you. How are you? It's been a long time. I have availed these stuffs actually 2 months ago.
3 months.
3 months ago. But I wasn't able to unbox. I have here the memories of 2021. I wanna show you. I wanna show you the content of these memories 2020. Okay, so number 1, of course, we have this, what do you call, calendar stand. I have here the memories of, what's this? Memories
No,
of,
that's B.
this is B.
B.
Memories of 2020. This is memories of 2020. Okay, I have the memories of 2021. So, this one's the official photo of memories of 2021. Ang ganda-ganda yung sinabi niya sa likod. Oh.
With our universe army.
Oh, diba? So, look at our boys. We are missing them so much, no? We are missing them so much. It's not only you, I miss them too. It's now the content of the memories. Yay! Diyos ko, sino lang may ganito sa inyo? Charot. Sorry, napakalit kong mag-unbox. So, this is the, what is this? A notebook? Ito na naman tayo. Hirap na naman tayo mag-identify kung ano mga ito. Oh! These are mini photos of the boys. Mini photo book. Okay. Parang nag-aano yung light, no? Nagre-reflect yung light. Is it clear, guys? Ayan. So, it has a lot of pages. Maliliit. Ayan. Baka isang araw, yung mga ganito ko, ipapamigay ko siguro. Pero hindi pa ngayon. Okay. And then, hinahanap namin yung official PC weight.
Meron ba? Wala yatang official ang ganyan.
I don't know. Maybe there is. Maybe there
Wala.
is. Wala ba?
Wala.
Kahit wala. Wait lang. Imposible. Oh,
Yung album ang inaantay ko.
wala talaga. Okay. Nakita natin? Kaya nagre-reflect yung light. Ay, ito. Ano ka ba?
Photos.
Ah, so it has the photos. Oh. RM. Jean. Yeah, Yunggi. Guwapo. Of course, our dearest Arison Hoso. Si Jimin. Wala, tignan niya yung buhok niya. Tinaas naman nila. Ayan, ang pinakagwapong nilalang sa balat ng lupa. Ayan, ang ating FIFA boy. JK. What is this? Wait!
Ayan si Jimmy pala.
Wait! We have an official photo card. Sabi ko eh. Oh, here's my official photo card. It's Jimin. Ay! Mahal na mahal ako ni Jimin. Laging Jimin yung aking official photo card. Parang ilang ano na. Just wanna share you the content. The content of this photo book. Okay.
Kailangan ganyan eh.
So, yeah. The first page, of course, we have our dearest Indigo. RM. Plastic siya, oh. Okay. There you go. I hope that you can see them, guys. Okay lang ba? Okay. Here is it. There. Of course, may paganyan pa siya. Ano kaya na to?
Yung mga ano. Yan yung butter. Yung may pahan-handcuff, di ba?
What?
Butter yan. Butter jacket photo shoot.
Yan. Yan, di ba? Oh. Let's take it faster.
MB shoot.
And the ships. Yeah.
Butter MB shoot.
Ayan. Oh,
Jimmy.
ay, ang cute ni Jimmy.
Parang siyang ano yung Teletubby.
Oh, ala.
Gata ni Tete. Ay, lakot.
Oh my God, look at the legs, guys. Look at the legs. Oh my God. After our boys will disband one day, because we will be getting there, of course. Ito na lang ang mga memories talaga maiwan sa atin, no? So, we'll just keep on going back since 2015, 2013, and then browse their pictures. And we will gonna cry together. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for BTS not coming together already? I'm so saddened with the baby armies, no? And parang hindi nyo pa masyado na-enjoy. yung pagiging army niya, no? But anyway, let us support them individually. That is very important. Oh! Look at our baby boy. When are you? Who's getting in the military already? Who's this? Jungkook and Suga. Oh my god! I like the hair of RM. Papa ni Jimmy. What's this? Oh. Ang ganda ng photoshoot sila. Ang galing na pictures. Sulit na sulit guys ang memories of 2021. Okay, we have... Oh! Minyong G! Bias record si Minyong G. Aminin nyo sa akin.
B. Yan yung performance nila, yung pinanta nila. Actually,
There we go. Ito yung ano, di ba?
Kay MB Unplugged.
Yeah.
MB. Music.
This one's... ito yung ano, nag-drum si JK.
Music on the mission. Music. Chuchudes.
Oh.
The Late Show with Stephen.
There you go. Ano nangyari? Sino yung ano? Sino yung... Si Chin? Si Jimin?
Jimin.
Si Jimin. Yeah. And that one? Oh.
Kobe.
Also. Okay. Our boys. Our 7 are reason. Very nice. There you go. Oh! Nagsasawa ka.
The Late Show with
As I've been telling
James
you,
Corden.
we'll always go back with these photos. Okay, and remember that one time, BTS have chosen us to be an army.
Shoot behind.
A moment. Okay, let's continue. There you go. Ang ganda-ganda. What's that? Okay, look at them, guys.
Saan to? Rolling Stone magazine.
Rolling Stone magazine. Oh, at least we took a look at the Rolling Stone, no? Ito yung ano, sa...
Louis Vuitton.
Oo.
Louis Vuitton.
Yeah.
Louis Vuitton.
Yung akala natin yung hawak-hawak ni Tete, ano, baso ng kape. Yun ba yun? Cup of coffee, akala lang natin pala, hindi pala, kundi bag. Kano kaya yun? Sure.
Wait na. Ang cute nila. Jimin at Tete.
Ay, oo. Ay! Silang Jean! Ang cute. Oh, iba pa bulaklak na naman si Taeyong. Sino yung nahikahiga?
Jean.
JK.
Jean.
JK, Jean? Okay. Hindi ko masyado makita. Oh, our boys. Super fun. Super fun eh. Okay. So that's it, guys. We're almost at the end. Oh, what's this?
Anong almost? Ang kapal pa.
We're almost. Almost. Oh. Okay. I hope you're enjoying, guys. Our It Boy Jiminy. Okay. Very... bakit? Pouty baby. The most handsome man of the universe. Totoo din naman niya. Okay. And this. There you go. Saan to?
Ito yung nag-guess sila sa ano. Ayun o.
Where?
You quiz on the block.
Ay, oo. Yung may babae doon na fan na super
Ba yan?
ano. Oh my God! Ay, okay.
The
Nabuga.
prettiest. Talaga
Oo.
it is.
No one can ano naman say otherwise. Who says otherwise? Butter.
Permission to dance.
Permission to dance. Yeah, permission to dance. Okay. Of course.
Pity the stage.
Okay.
Pity the dance.
Ay. Oh, but this is very pouty. Why, you're pouting, baby. Hey.
It's this.
Okay.
Sticker collection.
Okay. Sticker collections. Ilalagay ko ulit sa aking.
Kaya mo lang dyan.
So here are the CDs, guys. Ilan? This is CD 1.
PTD Dance on Stage. So, part 1. And, yeah.
And then we have these 2 content. Ang dami, guys. 3,
3, 4, 5.
4.
7.
Okay, so we have at least 7 na pagkakaabalahan ulit namin magkapatid na papanoorin. So, I hope guys you enjoyed the tour.
Kunin natin pagpunta natin ng Manila.
Yeah. Papanoorin namin. Okay, thank you so much guys. I hope that you enjoyed. My God, ang so pangit. Ang so pangit.